Hey, good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis expert level, let's look at New Zealand yen, probably the most complicated trading strategies or trade management in this week analysis. So if you don't understand, rewatch it, it's fine. This is for my students. Usually that's the case, and if you're interested to learn, drop me a note after you have learned our training. You'll be able to do the same. All right, and best of all, there's no further cross and upsell. This is all you need to know. All right, so to the daily chart, what we see over here is a retest of the previous high that has happened. All right, at this zone. What you want to look out for is if another retest happens. All right, and if you're looking for a shorting opportunity, you have to wait for confirmation before you do so. Down to the 4-hour chart, this is what we have. All right, on the 4-hour chart, a break of structure over here. However, it is not a break of trend. All right, so if you're interested to find out more, drop me a note. A 1-hour chart, this is what we have on the 1-hour chart. Let's have a look. All right, once again, the trend is not broken. It's just a zoom in version what you see on the 4-hour chart. It's not always the case, but in this setup it is. All right, so scan this QR code that will bring you to our student portal over here. This is where you can connect with me. Drop me a note over here is fine, but this is in a group chat. If you want more privacy, these are the social media account that has Rain Lim as my user ID. Drop me a note over there. I think it's more than enough for you to connect with me. Short of further, you can even start to learn for free. However, if you're interested to be in our community, I would suggest you to get into our community real soon, because we are going to do some changes to the price. Before the pandemic, during the pandemic, I've launched a crazy promotion that get you save like 250% of what we were doing. All right, crazy. No one in the industry is doing that. So that's our way to help. But more than 2 years down the road already, and things has get back to normal, the new norm. All right, so we are having a high chance we are going to change this thing. We are going to remove this deal. All right, so drop me a note if you're really interested. Best value deal you guys receive, all access to all of our course content, and you even receive our trading ideas. Be in our community, getting in touch with our live session and stuff like that, all those fun stuff. All right, so some of our trading ideas you can see. This trade hit stop loss, loses 39 pips, but if it is a profitable trade, you're looking at first target 94 pips and second target 129. And you can see on the Canada yen, all right, target 1, target 2 being reached. Total targets in terms of pips 282. Based off one standard contract, you're looking at $2,225 for a standard contract on each target. All right, so if this is what interests you, drop me a note. Remember, my user ID is RAYNLIM. All right, so back to our daily chart. Let me share with you my analysis over here. On my analysis, what you can see is well, we can read this as double top if you like to, or just a pullback of the lever. Let's see how it goes. But definitely a pullback into structure. As long as it didn't break and close above this high, then it is possible for you to hit it for a short and find the target. You might even stretch it based on your experience. Of course, students will receive my exact level where I'm looking at. For our chart, we have a deep crab pattern, which require confirmation before we can engage the short. What I love about this setup is that it will fall back into the red box that you see on the daily chart. It's the same box. That's how we combine time frame strategy to make us having a higher probability, increase our win rate. All right, so to the 1-hour chart, this is what we have. Many of times, I don't know, traders that's looking for example, for this crab pattern, they're looking to buy out, but you shouldn't do that because your stops will be all the way down and you have a very lopsided situation. However, on a lower time frame, if it's fits certain condition, I can hit it for a buying opportunity. First target as the usual conservative target level However, my final target, I can afford to stretch it. Having to know that there's a potential that my second target won't get fulfilled. Alright, so if that is okay for you, low risk, high return kind of trading setup, this is one of the example. Well, drop me a note and we'll see if you're a good fit to our community, and if it is, then we will process your application real soon, because all this is going to change real soon. Alright, so that's all I have for you today. Till then, remember, always plan your trade and trade your plan. Take care.